Hello again, everyone. It's Vince from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for April 10th, 2024. Wow, what a day in the markets. Let's get into this. It started early this morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. That is when we got the the inflation numbers out. CPI came out, and just about every one of these core inflation month over month, year over year, and the inflation rate month over month, year over year came in higher. The hottest number was the inflation rate year over year. Consensus was 3.4. Previous was 3.2. It came in at 3.5. And what's spooking the market is that we just see this climbing now every month so far this year. We've had an uptick. So this got the market going, and futures immediately dropped big time, and we had a fairly significant down day overall. If we look at the Dow finishing down by over well, almost 500 points here lower, and did close below that prior low that we had talked about yesterday. So now we just need to see if there's follow through here. The S&P 500 down 61 points here again, dipping below that low, closing pretty much at it, not below it just yet, but a very significant down day. The Nasdaq closed off its lows again, didn't finish below that prior low, but again, a very bearish candle, down 190 points. Even the small caps were down on almost 60 points here. Big move on the small caps. Now, if we look, first of all, heads up for the overseas markets tonight. That could be a volatile session. Oil up another 98 cents, or what is it, 1.15%. It continues to look very strong. Gold futures actually did trade higher for a bit and then gave back about 11 points here. So, not a big deal. That's the trend still very strong here. And silver closing just slightly higher here, just above yesterday's close, but was much higher earlier in the session. Now, a big part of today was the bond yields going up significantly here, and the yield curve being inverted even more. So big issue for the market going forward there. And the dollar index having a big day. The dollar finishing off at 105.17 here. Just a huge move for the dollar. So what's coming up next? Well, PPI tomorrow. So keep an eye on that. Consensus is 0.3. Forecast 0.4. The previous was 0.6. So they're actually expecting a bit of a drop here. If we get an uptick, that could, really cause some movement tomorrow. So keep an eye on on that report, which again is due out before market open, 8:30 a.m. Eastern tomorrow. Should be a lot of fun.